Here's how to add a table of contents that looks like this to a WordPress blog. And the first thing to do is to create a column, and to do that you just hit space and then hit the plus sign on the right, type in column, and then choose the first one. Change the width, I usually do around 400. Then add a background color by going to this icon. I'll go to background and then choose a color. And now you can start adding the text. So just click on it, choose paragraph. I like to call it an outline, but you can call it table of contents or whatever you want. And then bold it and underline, and then center. And then to add the bullets, you just hit enter, type a dash and then space, and it automatically makes a bullet. Now you can start typing in the different sections of your post, like things to do, best restaurants, and a map. And once you've typed them all in, now you can link them to the different sections. And to do that, you just click on the section, go to Advanced on the bottom right, type in a word. It can be anything that relates to that section. Just make sure it's all lowercase and doesn't have any spaces. So for this section, I'll just type in things. Then I'll go to the outline and highlight the bullet. So I'll highlight things to do, and then go to link, and then type hashtag and then the word. So hashtag things, and then enter. And now that bullet will link to that section. And I'll do the same thing for the two other sections so you can see two more examples. So I go to the section, and then click on it, and then go to the anchor area here on the bottom right. Type in a word that relates to that section. I'll call this one restaurants. And then link it by highlighting the bullet, clicking link, hashtag restaurants. Enter, and now that one's linked. And now I'll do the last one. Go here, type map, highlight, link, hashtag map. And that's it. Now I'll save it and preview it so you can see how it works. So now when I click on best restaurants, it'll jump to that section. And the same thing for map, I'll click on map, and it jumps to the map. And that was how to add a table of contents to your blog posts. And as you can see, another good thing to add to your blog posts are Google Maps, and I'll walk through how to do that in the next video. Especially if you're a travel blogger, I add these maps to pretty much all of my posts. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and for all the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.